Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode 6. Before we start today, throughout the day I went through on Figma and I started started to do some design sketches on what the application might look like. So this would be the first stage where you just log in with the username. If the username is taken, it would prompt you for the password. And if it's not, you could do a forgot password. And if it's not taken, you would go through the new user option in which you can select a location. Yeah. I'm just thinking like you can pre-select one, but if there isn't one, then I'm guessing if you're writing a new country, it will just add to the database, or I can just support some specific locations for now. Anyways, you get in, and then I think I'm thinking of having 5 default options in the bottom. This can be nearby, the wish list, the journal, and the account page. So the nearby would be literally, so it'd show you a location and every location nearby from you. I'm thinking of using some, there was like some API that I can use for the apps. It's free for like 200,000 calls in the month. Should be enough usage for me right now, so that's going to be it. The wish list is where I can add new wish lists. Oh yeah, for the nearby, there's a list view which I click if I don't want to look at like this as a view. I'm guessing the list view will show how much close stuff is. The wish list will show things that I want to go to. I'm thinking of maybe I can do like a ticket, like I want to go here, or like a receipt. A receipt doesn't really make sense because a receipt implies that you've already been to that location. A boarding pass might be cool because it's like I'm soon yet to go to this location, so it's like, you know, like I'm about to board a plane. So it makes sense for a wish list, or even a wish list could be like an Amazon wish list, which I'm not too sure what might look like, but I do have some ideas for the wish list. And the journal might look like a little Polaroid. So for example, these are 2 places that I did go to in Hong Kong last time. I was at Lock. On the top it will say the location and the date of when you went. There's a little tilt to it. Shake Shack was also where I went. These aren't my photos, but just an example. I was having one where like you have Polaroids here and it'd be grayed out, but then the problem is how do I reliably get photos that should be blanked out? I could have like a random drawing on it, but I'm thinking that's not as cool. And then obviously you'd be able to zoom down infinitely. There should be ways to filter it as well, but that's like it. Account. So just a default account. It would have like a default country, what country you're in. Actually, I don't even know if I want a default country, to be honest. Like, is country actually a requirement? I don't know. Because if it isn't, then I don't need this screen at all. But like, what does a default country actually mean? Like, if I have that default country, because I'm sure these photos will have metadata anyways, then you can show where it's from. So this is Hong Kong, September 25. Hong Kong, September 25. I'm guessing I can use the country ISO codes for it. So New Zealand would be NZ. Australia would be AU, I'm guessing. US would be US. And options like that. So those are the 4. And then the middle button would be adding a new review in which it would be shown in this journal account. So that's what I have for the initial design. Definitely have to work more on it. Oh. There definitely is more for me to do. But for now, I think this is a pretty good design of what my app might turn out to be. Trying to do it in React, it looks very Apple-y. I'm actually not sure if I can use this specific type of Apple. Wait, can I? Figma Apple. Oh, the thing is, can I even use React? Oh, let's see. So this looks very iPhone-y, which I'm not too sure if it's good or bad. I don't know how this will like affect Android users. But well, I use an iPhone, so I'm gonna develop for iPhone, even if it is a web app. Okay. Let's see if there's like an actual. Seems like there is UI from components. Apple style. I don't want Apple style. I need exact Apple. I'm not sure if actually I can do it. Or do I need Xcode? Because can I do that? Can I develop web apps using Xcode? Let's have a look at what this might look like. Oh, okay. Let's try and make it something like this. This looks pretty good. Oh, yeah. Well, you can do Figma as well. Okay. Either way, I really like the journal idea of what I have. The wish list, I could probably have like a boarding pass, and I'm thinking one thing that I can have for the wish list is like place. It's like a must-try item for the given restaurant. There are two options for it. I'm more leaning towards option 2 for adding a new review rather than this having. I mean, that might be alright, but I'm just have it for like option. Nothing too specific yet. Let's see what. Okay. Boom. Okay, this actually isn't too bad. Okay. Actually isn't too bad. Okay. Something much like that might be a bit better, but this also works fine. Okay. So I definitely can do it. I'm sure there's like a UI that supports Apple. There must be. There's no way that Apple. There must be a way to actually support that. But knowing that, that's fine. Why don't we go back and continue our development? So yesterday, what did I do? I created some scripts. Then we can insert and we can select from our store. No. Cool. So yeah, it's very low level source script. This is all very backends. This is all very database. So what I might do is actually might move these all into the database. Yeah, and if I run this, what's this gonna run? Oh. Oh, I don't have a virtual environment here. Oh, okay. That's fine. I did create a new. I did create a new directory. My old folder was located in an iCloud drive, so it actually wouldn't delete the files properly, which was quite annoying. So I did move it just to a local drive. It should be fine because GitHub does store it all. But knowing that, why don't we activate it and then pip install our requirement? Oh, not the README. It's not going to do anything. Oh, not the README. There we go. It's going to download site cop. Oh, that's been cached before. Okay. Well, that's fine actually. So okay. Actually, I have to change the interpreter here. I'm gonna use the VNV. Oh, it's gonna be app.database. Yeah. Can I just do database? Does that work as well? If that works, I'm just gonna do database. It's probably because there is no init file here. Oh. I actually do need to change it. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be? Let's think about it. There was an app. There was something I ran yesterday that did. Why is backsearch not working? Is it a PowerShell thing? PY. No, it's not that one. What could it be? Dot. Something with a dot. Docker exec. Okay. That does not look right. Let's see. Let's look at it. Build pipe project. .toml. Pip. Python m build. Okay. Maybe I do need app. All right. What is this? Ooh, it might be that one. No depths. Oh, okay. That's really old. Okay. Okay. You are in app. go. What? Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, cool, nice. So we have the store. All right. Oops. Cool. Okay, so that's fine. We have those. Let's go to boosted charts. I thought I was logged in. Maybe, okay, there we go. Let's look at our ERD. So we have store. Oh, okay. We have store, we have country. Let's do cuisine, and then we can try create the store cuisine script. For the cuisine, I feel like we should have a normalized name for the cuisine as well. Can cuisine ever have a space in it? I think we just lowercase it. So item store. Oh, cuisine is actually a part of store. Oh, okay. And then from app.database. Cuisine. Pretty sure that's all I need. And then we do something here. Our first one is def insert one cuisine. I'm guessing we only have one cuisine. It's not going to return anything. Oh, I definitely spelled that wrong. Cuisine. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's such a weird word now. Yeah. So insert one cuisine into the cuisine table. Spelled it wrong again here. Oh, actually, it's going to return a string or none. Yeah. Oh, actually, it's going to return an integer or none because we said it's a serial. So the SQL is going to be insert into table called cuisine. Let's have dbeaver open up so I can just get the exact names. It's going to be name, values, and then it's going to be this. Cool. And then the ID is going to be none. Yeah. From app.database.utils.config import load config. Our config is going to be load config. Try with connect. It's going to be config s con, and then with con dot cursor. Pretty sure this is a function. Yep, as cur dot execute SQL, and the values for it is going to be c dot name. I'm going to make a tuple as that becomes a string. The row is equals cur dot fetch. It's only going to be a 1. Oh. Do we make it unique? If we make it unique, we need it to be unique. No, this needs to be unique. Yeah. I need this to be unique. I actually do need this to be unique, so that's fine. How did I do it for these? All right. I'm just thinking, how do I I need to ensure that what? Is that not how I insert? Okay. I clearly don't remember. Ah, what am I doing? No, that shouldn't be happening. Wait, that shouldn't be happening. No, wait, that shouldn't be happening. Whoa, that's quiet. Whoa, that's quite insensitive. Oh. Hmm. think I might just have the normalized name for it. Yeah, I don't want Chinese 1, Chinese 2. It's gonna be unique. Ooh, okay. Now we have to create. Now this is the tough part where we actually create a. We're going to be creating this store cuisine. This one. I'm going to move this here and move this here. Store cuisine in the middle. And then let's actually get creating. So create table store cuisine. ID is going to be it's going to be the primary key. And then the serial is going to be int. And this reference is store ID. And the cuisine is going to be a integer. And this reference is cuisine ID. Wait, I already have it. Okay. Actually, I have it, which is good. I think I can add. Actually, no, let's create a new one. We're going to call it. Yeah, I think. Pretty sure I should have a separate one. Like, it's not even like a question. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I should have a separate, like, store. Pretty sure I can refactor this part out. Refactor this whole thing out, actually. Refactor this will look the same. I guess fetch mini might look a bit different because it maps it to the object. Then I just need to pass in the object. Okay, I'll put store relationships.py. Let me do models in here. Country. Cuisine and store. Country. And store side models. And then you'll have relationships. This will be the store relationships. Store. These are the relationships. Def add cuisine to store. I'm gonna take a I'll need to find the cuisine. Ooh, okay. I'm guessing I can't avoid the 2A DB hit because I need to find out the ID of I need to find the ID of the cuisine. I need to find the ID of the store, and then I need to send another. So potentially this is 3 DB hits. Okay. Let's look it up actually. I want to avoid multiple trips to the database. Really? Okay. Just gonna return a status code. And it's gonna return int or none. supposed to be serial. Integer has no like limit. It's as big as it can be. Let's actually in the utils, let's create a should create a database function. Let's actually just do it now. So we're gonna take in the SQL, which is a string. We're gonna take in oh. Oh, I'm taking an object, which is going to be an object. Oh, so it's going to take an object, and then let's see. This might look like. Oh. A dictionary. Okay, I mean that is literally the same thing. Query. Oh, wait, this is. Ooh. Can I do this? Let's see. How do I create a new object? Let's see. Ooh, will this work? Oh wait, is this gonna work? I don't feel like it would. No, this isn't gonna work. I'm gonna pass in a object. How do I instantiate? How do I instantiate? How do I? Oh, why is this commit doing here? How do I instantiate? Wait, it already is a tuple. It's gonna be like an args. It's gonna be like an args. Print. Video 2. Oh wait, wait, I'm so close. I'm so close. I can feel that I'm so close. Wait, I'm so close. Wait. I'm so close. I can feel that I'm so close. Takes 4. But that returns the datetime object. Can I do? No. Fetch one returns a tuple. They aren't named. Is there like fetch? What if I do rows? I hate to do it like this. Right now. Ah, wait. Ah, there we go. I was just doing it wrong. -1 just gets to the last one. Oh, sick. Ah, that works almost too good. Alright. Cuisine. Wait, this is always gonna output something even if it's empty list. Oh, I don't use Cyclops here at all. Oh, good. That can't be the best way to do that. Is this a hack? I feel like this is like a probably like legit way to do it. Oh, I see. So I shouldn't be selecting all. Oh, I should be never doing select all. True. Right, true, that is one way to fix it. Instead of selecting everything. What is a generic? T can be anything. Yeah. Generates oh, interesting. Okay. That's the generic that comes in. So I'm not gonna do ignore anymore. So SQL values, which is gonna be a sequence of objects. What's a sequence? What? And this is gonna be T. Class is gonna be type of. Damn, what is Python? It's a general term for an ordered collection of elements where each element can be accessed using. Right, Python is a tuple sequence. Oh, what is it? Okay, so it can be literally anything. It doesn't have to be a tuple. But this is always going to have. Anyways, okay, interesting way to do it. Alright, Postgres. You know, I'm just gonna return none. I think it's a better way to do it. I might probably do it like that. Huh. This is so interesting. Oh, damn, okay. So the incoming type. Generate a row to represent the class to return for each row. The class to return for each row. Damn, with row defined by row factory. Damn. Sequence of a row with row defined. So a sequence of this class with the incoming class. Damn. Damn, that's crazy. Damn. Damn. I didn't know they did that. Okay, that's really cool. Wow. This is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, so we can pass in a generic. A generic can be anything. So in our case, it can be... Wow, that's crazy. It can be a store. It can be a store, it can be a cuisine, it can be a shop, it can be a country. It doesn't matter what the class is, and then we just send in this the value as a tuple. And if we do fetch all, it's going to return a sequence row. So it's going to be returning a sequence of rows with a row is defined by row factory, but a row factory is a class row, it's going to be our class. So it's going to return a sequence, so it's going to be a list. Hopefully it's a list. It's going to return a list of the class type. Wow, that's crazy. So I don't actually have to do anything. Wow, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Okay. That's crazy how that code works. Okay, so that's how you use generics. I see. That's actually really interesting. So we don't need this ignore anymore. Got unexpected keyword argument. Normalized name. No, we don't need to select the normalized name. Damn! Damn, that's crazy. Damn, okay. Damn. Okay, damn, okay. Like, generics are crazy. That's actually like, I think that's like the first time I actually properly understand how generics work. I was first introduced in Java 2 years ago, and I saw the letter TG, and I was like, oh, what's a generic? Oh, and I got really scared. But actually using it here, using generics, wow, that's crazy. Using generics with, I know you can do generics with other languages like Java as well, but actually being used to use generics. Okay, so I think using generics with databases is a really good example. So I can confidently say that if someone asks me when we'll use a generic, I can say when I'm querying a database, well, at least a RDBMS, I will be able to use a generic. Very cool. Okay, well, let's go ahead and try to do that for store as well. So I just need this. And And then I'm going to do, don't need that. Don't need that. So let's try to do this as well. It's going to be returning select SQL, the values, and the type that I'll be returning, which is a store. And the values is going to be this. Normalized name. Got an unexpected keyword argument, normalized name. Wait, what am I looking in? No, it's because I won't be... Select all. I won't be selecting all from store. What I'm going to be selecting is the name and country ID. Name and country ID. Oh, wait, ID. Name and country ID. There we go. Okay. Very cool. That's actually so cool using generics. Okay. That's actually sick. That's so cool. So I've done store, use all generics. I've done cuisine, I know it works if there's no cyclops at the top. Now let's do the relationships for store. Delete that as well from here. Can this screen see this? Yeah. So this is my database. And from app.database.utils.database import. We're going to do insert single SQL and select SQL. And the values is going to be, what are we inserting? We're going to be inserting a, okay, the store should come first. Be inserting the s.id and then c.id. I'm going to do insert single SQL values. I'm going to return. No, actually, this is not what I said I would do. What I said I would do is I need to do it in one pass. So the SQL is actually going to look way longer than this. And then I want, oh. Select ID from stores where slug. Oh, gonna be a normalized name. It's gonna be exact match. There's $sign. I might do S. Right. Insert into values. Oh. It's not store. Oh, it's not store? Ooh, really? Ooh, what did I name it? I thought I named it store. Oh, I named it store ID. And the bottom is... Well, I'm not even looking at the right one. Store ID and cuisine ID. Invalid input syntax for type boolean. Chinese. Oh. Where? Okay, what am I looking at? I just like didn't write half of the line. The last operation didn't produce records. Did it go in? Select all from store cuisine. Oh, it didn't go in. Is it this part? No. It's because there is no store. Could be that there's nothing. Where normalized name equals. Oh, it's because of spaces? Oh. This is actually because of this, the brackets? No. Let's look at country. Let's look at exact match. Let's see what the problem is here. Select ID from the vibe I'm getting from here is that normalize name. Normalize. Insert into okay, that's fine. Either way, that is a bug. Because I am looking for an exact match. No matter the situation. Let's see, what might be the problem? So I have a store. Oops. Sorry. So I have a store. I have a cuisine. I pass in the store and the cuisine. I normalize store. I normalize the cuisine. Maybe it's good to see what I'm actually executing. This is an insert. Okay. You know what? Okay, like I'm sure there's a proper way to see. Oh. Oh. The execute fails. Yeah, the execute fails. There's a sequence. The generic? Everything is an object though. Where's the generic here? Try here. Yeah. Can I execute? Wait, it needs to be an exact match. Wait, this literally exists. Store cuisines. What? Where's the error? Column Woojin does not exist? Wow, okay. Wait, column Woojin does not exist? Wait, am I doing something wrong? Select ID from store where normalized name equals region. Column Woojin. Okay. Hey, really? Wait, if I do I not know how to do? Oh my, you're kidding me. This whole time, it's because I had double quotes. Okay, what? Nothing for me to like rage over, but... it actually worked, damn, okay. And if I look in here, wow. So I have to change these. I think it's to less? No. Okay, that's fine. This actually tells me that this, oops, this works. Oh, if I try run again. How can I keep adding to it? That makes no sense. Okay. That's a problem. I need a unique store ID and a cuisine ID. Yeah. That's good. And then if I do this, country, I add the store, I add the cuisines. Whoa. No way, that's the wrong store. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so coming back to this, let's see. So on our DB Fever, when we actually run this script, we do see that it works. So maybe the problem is... let's see what it looks like when I add. It's because it's not... okay, that wouldn't matter. It's still a tuple. In the insert part. Wait, this is literally the same. On conflict, yeah, this is literally the same. I don't... This is... What does values looks like? Is that something wrong with that? Woo. Let's actually look at the SQL that will be executed. Morgify. Okay, that's what it's called. But there must be a better way to do this. But okay, that's fine. What? Oh, client cursor. Okay, I can only use it on client cursor. That's all right. We can fix the problem here. What? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? Do I have to returning ID? Is that why? Is that really that important? What? You're kidding me. Okay. It was that important. It was that important. Okay. It was indeed that important. It was indeed that important. Huh. This is lying to me. It doesn't get added, but it tells me it's getting added. What a liar. What a liar. What a liar, what a liar. That's a liar. That's a liar. Okay, you know what? Nah, I'm gonna solve it myself. So the problem is that there's no rows here. Oops. I'm guessing... Oh, is it the on conflict part? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Cool, nice. Let's do... do get stores for cuisine. For this. That's an interesting thing because some stores will have ID of none. But is that fine? I'm guessing that's fine. Wait, is that fine? Like this will return with an ID. But I don't want to get the store because this is one. Yeah, this is one. I don't want to do this. This is one database call just to call it for this. This I think this joins it. Yeah. So this is one back and forth. It's an insert. Type variables, man. So generics. She loves generics, damn. Wait. Right, that's gonna be store ID. So store ID. Oh, it's actually, oh, okay. Oh, so this is gonna be an integer actually. And then I'm just gonna be getting, I'm gonna be getting the store ID. Oh, actually, this is gonna be a nasty. This is gonna be a nasty one. I can already tell. Select. Oh, it's gonna be select. Oh, oh, I just know this is gonna be nasty. It's gonna be select name. Oh, it's gonna be nasty. It's gonna be select ID, country ID, and then wait, ID, name, country ID from store, where store.id is equal to store cuisines dot store ID, where why do you join these? Where store cuisines store. That should be and. Missing from clause entry where store. Wait. Missing from clause. Oh, I forgot to join tables. Join on where? Where store ID equals store ID equals missing cuisine. Oh, let's see. I actually learned this. There's 4 different ways. Okay, so I actually do want to do that. All right, let's figure this out. So I have my normalized name. Let's look at my structure. So I have the cuisine. I can get the cuisine ID from the name here. So I get the cuisine ID. Do I actually just join it all? Wait, what? Yay, there we go. Pretty happy with this. So, okay. So we have store here, store ID 2. And if we go to store, you'll see store ID 2, region. Well, it's going to be a store item. Great. Okay, cool. So that's a pretty good. So we can now add to the store cuisine and read from the store cuisine. Tomorrow, I guess we can work on the item and the store item and the item image. Good progress today. Gonna add everything. Get everything, yeah. Implement store cuisine table with insert and read methods. Git push. Cool. I'm gonna make sure I do Docker compose down. Great. Thanks for watching, guys.